At SafetyInsights, we use a secure connection to access your SafetyCulture data using what is called an API. This API connection is secured with industry-leading encryption, and our access to your data can be disabled at any time. This short video will walk you through allowing SafetyInsights access to your SafetyCulture data. We will show you how to create an API key, which looks like a long password, and to provide us with this API key in a secure way so we can set up your dashboards. If you're not already signed in, sign into your SafetyCulture account so that you can see your homepage, as shown. If you are a part of multiple organizations, please make sure that the correct organization is displayed on the top of the left-hand sidebar. Please note you'll need to be signed into SafetyCulture using an account with the administrator permission set. To generate the API key, click on the Settings cog icon on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, next to your organization and name. Once the pop-out menu appears, click on Integrations. On the top of the Integrations page, click on the menu tab called API Tokens to display a page with a list of the API tokens currently configured in your organization. Click on the Create API Token button on the top right of this page to generate a Service User API token. Enter a name in the Enter Service Username field for the API token. We recommend entering SafetyInsights so you can easily identify our API token in the future. Make sure the Manage All Data tick box is selected on the right-hand Permissions panel. By ticking this box, you're allowing us to read your SafetyCulture data, to display it within your dashboard. But don't worry, we never make any changes to your SafetyCulture data. If you have any specific security requirements, please contact us by visiting safetyinsights.au, clicking on the Support menu, and choosing Contact Us. When you've double-checked the username and permissions are filled in, click the Create Token button. A pop-up window will appear that contains the API key you need to provide to us. The token should start with the letters SCA. Please note this API key will only be shown once, so please don't close the pop-up until you've provided us with the API key. It is very important you keep this API key safe. Do not save it on your computer, share it with anybody else, or send it via email. After you've provided it to us securely, it is best to delete it from anywhere you may have saved it temporarily. To copy the API key to your clipboard, so you can paste it into our secure API portal, click on the copy icon on the right-hand side of the API key. You can also select the entire API key and press both the Control and the letter C key on your keyboard if you're using a Windows computer, or the Command and the letter C key on your keyboard if you're using a Mac computer. Go back to the Let's Get You Set Up with SafetyInsights window or tab, and paste the API key into the Enter Your SafetyCulture API key field by right-clicking in this box and choosing Paste, or by pressing both the Control and the letter V key on your keyboard if you're using a Windows computer, or the Command and the letter V key on your keyboard if you're using a Mac computer. Once the API key has been pasted into the box, click on the Connect button, as shown on the screen, to validate the key and start the dashboard setup process. Click on the Submit button to finalize the process. The initial dashboard data refresh process can take some time, depending on the amount of data you have in your SafetyCulture account. You'll receive a welcome email and a link to set your password once the initial dashboard data refresh has been completed. But if there are any issues, we will reach out to you directly. Thanks for choosing SafetyInsights. And remember, we're always here to help by visiting the Help Center on our website, safetyinsights.au.